Plant FAQs. Begonia art Hodes. Begonia art Hodes, a textured beauty for plant enthusiasts. Hi, Furbu here. I'm a passionate plant collector, and today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of the Begonia art Hodes. This unique begonia boasts a captivating combination of texture, color, and resilience, making it a standout choice for both seasoned and beginner plant parents. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia art Hodes? The Begonia art Hodes is a herbaceous perennial belonging to the vast Begonia family. It's a compact, bushy plant known for its stunning foliage. Imagine large, textured leaves with a deep olive green hue, blushed with a subtle red sheen on the underside. Fine red hairs add another layer of interest, giving the leaves a slightly pebbled appearance. This captivating combination creates a truly eye-catching specimen. But the beauty doesn't stop there. Begonia art Hodes produces delicate clusters of small white flowers throughout the growing season, adding a touch of elegance to its already captivating presence. Begonia art Hodes versus other begonias. With over 1,800 species, the Begonia family offers a diverse range of plants. Here's a quick comparison of Begonia art Hodes with two other popular varieties. Begonia Rex. Renowned for their vibrantly colored and patterned foliage, Rex begonias are a favorite among collectors. However, they can be a bit fussier, requiring higher humidity levels compared to the art Hodes. Begonia semperflorens. Often called wax begonias, these low-maintenance varieties are known for their vibrant blooms in various colors. While easier to care for, their flowers take center stage, with less emphasis on foliage compared to the art Hodes. How to care for Begonia art Hodes? The good news is, Begonia art Hodes is a relatively easy plant to care for. Here are some key things to remember. Light. This begonia thrives in dappled sunlight or partial shade. Avoid harsh direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent yet moderate watering is key. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is essential. Opt for a mixture formulated for African violets or begonias. Humidity. While not as demanding as some other begonias, maintaining moderate humidity levels will benefit your plant. Grouping it with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray can help. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a balanced liquid fertilizer applied every few weeks can promote healthy growth. Propagation. A piece of the pie. Sharing the beauty of your Begonia art Hodes is easy. Here are two common propagation methods. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem tip with a few nodes and leaves. Plant it in a moist potting mix and keep it warm and humid. New roots should develop within a few weeks. Leaf cuttings. Select a healthy, mature leaf and cut it off near the base of the petiole, leaf stalk. Wedge the petiole into a moist potting mix and maintain humidity. With time, a new plantlet should sprout. Common issues and solutions. Like most plants, Begonia art Hodes can encounter some challenges. Here are a couple of common issues and their solutions. Yellowing leaves. This could indicate overwatering. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure proper drainage. Mealybugs. These tiny white insects can suck the sap from your plant. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. By keeping an eye on your plant and addressing any concerns promptly, you can ensure your Begonia art Hodes thrives for years to come. Begonia art Hodes, a textured treasure. The Begonia art Hodes combines captivating foliage, delicate blooms, and relative ease of care. Whether you're a seasoned plant collector or just starting your journey, this begonia is sure to add a touch of textured beauty to your indoor space. With proper care and a little love, your Begonia art Hodes will reward you with years of lush growth and visual intrigue. So, are you ready to welcome this unique begonia into your home? With its captivating presence and manageable needs, the Begonia art Hodes is sure to become a treasured addition to your plant family.